In 1908, something flattened 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest, and to this day, no crater has ever been found. The Tunguska event released energy estimated at 10 to 15 megatons, roughly 1,000 times the power of the Hiroshima bomb. Trees were scorched and knocked flat in radial patterns pointing outward from a central point. But whatever caused it left nothing behind. No meteorite, no debris, no crater, just silence, and a forest that looked like it had been pressed flat by a giant hand. But here's what's stranger. In 1977, the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio detected a signal from deep space so unusual that the researcher on duty circled it and wrote one word in the margin: wow. The signal lasted exactly 72 seconds, matched the expected profile of an intentional transmission, and has never been detected again, despite decades of searching the same coordinates. And yet the ocean holds its own unanswered questions. In 1997, NOAA hydrophones recorded an ultra-low frequency sound rising from the deep Pacific, louder than any known biological source, consistent with something animate. They called it the bloop. Years later, researchers proposed it matched the sound profile of a large icequake. But the original recording still carries frequencies no confirmed ice event has fully reproduced. Even more surprising, the Hestalen lights in Norway have been photographed, filmed, and measured since the 1930s. Balls of luminescent light, sometimes white, sometimes yellow, sometimes red, drift silently through the valley, some moving at over 30,000 kilometers per hour, others hovering motionless for up to 2 hours. Physicists have proposed plasma clouds and piezoelectric effects from mineral-rich bedrock. None of the explanations fully hold. Then there is the Taos hum. Since the early 1990s, roughly 2% of residents near Taos, New Mexico, have reported hearing a persistent low-frequency hum with no identified source. Audible indoors, impossible to locate, and completely inaudible on recording equipment. Perhaps the most humbling truth is this: our instruments can map the surface of Mars in centimeter-level detail. And yet there remain sounds in our own valleys, lights in our own skies, and forces in our own history that no instrument has yet explained. The world he created is far deeper than our measurements.